Everyone, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to prevent coronavirus with simple steps. I'm not a medical expert, but I have been doing a lot of research on the topic. I'm excited to share what I've learned with you and hopefully help you stay healthy. Stay hydrated. One of the most important steps you can take to avoid contracting the flu or other viruses is to stay hydrated. Limiting the amount of alcohol you consume while traveling can help prevent dehydration. And always drink lots of water to stay hydrated in hot weather and/or when experiencing a flu-like symptoms such as a fever. When your body is dehydrated, it cannot fight off infection like normal. The best way to prevent dehydration is to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water each day. Avoid coffee, soda, and other caffeinated beverages, which can cause you to urinate more often and flush needed water from your system. Wash hands frequently with soap and water. One of the best ways to avoid contracting a flu virus is to simply not touch your face. The CDC recommends washing your hands with soap and water for about 20 seconds, the time it takes to sing "Happy Birthday" twice, to help prevent the spread of germs. If soap and water are not available, use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Avoid touching your mouth, nose, and eyes to reduce the risk of infection. The best way to wash your hands is by lathering them with soap and water, scrubbing them for at least 20 seconds, and then rinsing them with clean water. Be sure to clean under your nails and between your fingers. Also, make sure to dry your hands with a clean towel or air dryer to avoid spreading germs. Get enough sleep. When you are sleep deprived, your immune system is less able to fight off infection. Getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night is the recommended amount for most adults. If you are traveling to a place where you might be exposed to viruses, it's particularly important to get enough sleep to keep your immune system strong and reduce your risk of getting sick. Don't touch your face. If you have a cough or a runny nose, avoid touching your face. The CDC recommends that you avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with your hands. If you have to cough or sneeze, cover your mouth and nose with a tissue and then throw it away after you are done. Wash your hands after you are finished coughing or sneezing. Avoid crowds and people who are sick or show symptoms. If you're on a cruise and you see someone who is sick, avoid them like the plague. The CDC recommends that you go single file and avoid being in very close proximity to anyone showing visible symptoms, such as coughing, sneezing, or having a fever. By staying away from people who either have a cold or flu-like symptoms or have been in close contact with someone who is sick, you can significantly reduce your risk of contracting the virus. If you're on a cruise with lots of people, try to avoid being in large crowds. The best way to do this is to listen to announcements about events, eat at off-peak times, and avoid the pool during busy hours. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell.